Hi, my name is Jason Milano. I'm an Assistive Technology Specialist here at Pacer Simon Technology Center. What I want to talk to you about today is Microsoft's Windows operating systems and the accessibility features incorporated in the operating systems. When Microsoft started incorporating accessibility features from Windows 95, and subsequent versions have improved on the accessibility features. So what I'm going to show you today is the accessibility features that are incorporated into the new Windows 7 operating system. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is a few of the accessibility features in Windows 7. You can start these by hitting the Windows key and the letter U, and this screen will pop up. And here you have various features. You have Start Magnifier, Start On-Screen Keyboard, Start Narrator, and Set Up High Contrast. There's other settings down here as well. You can explore all settings, but we unfortunately do not have time to go through everything. So we're going to go through a couple. Here is the magnifier. As you can see, it creates a magnifying glass, and you can magnify things on the screen. You could also go to this icon right here, the magnifying glass, and you can click on it and you can change the magnification on it, or you could also change the zoom, the style of the window. You can go to full screen and everything will be magnified. Now the next thing I'm going to show you is the onboard keyboard. You double click on that and you have an on-screen keyboard. So let's say you're typing a Word document, and you can use this, your mouse, to click on the letters. And a good feature about it, as you'll notice, there's words on top. These are word predictions. So here are a few of the choices. We already have we, so let's say I just want we. So I hit the space bar, or I can click it on here, and then say we want the word R. A, R, E. And then I hit the space bar again. And I go H, E. Now it's already giving me some predictions. And I'm going to say here. And you can use the magnifier in conjunction with this. Now I'm going to show you voice recognition. For this, we're going to need a headset. I happen to be using a Logitech headset with a built-in microphone. The importance of the built-in microphone is that it keeps your speech consistent, as the microphone is the same distance away as you speak, no matter where you move your head. You can get a high-quality headset. It doesn't have to be Logitech, and you can get it at any electronic store such as Best Buy, Staples, Target. How you get there is you go to the Start Control panel, and you'll have these icons. You're going to look at for a little microphone, and it's called speech recognition. There it is right there. Now keep in mind that you might have something that looks like this when you first access it. I usually go to View By and Large Icons, and that will get you here where you can more easily find speech recognition. You turn this on, and the top will say Start Speech Recognition. Before you do it, you're going to have to set up a microphone, and there's other things here that you will look at to set up. So I've already set this up, so I'm going to click on Start Speech Recognition. And now I have it on manual, so I can click on here and it'll start listening. So here we go. Start menu. Paint. As you could, I'll turn it off so I can talk. As you can see, it opened up a program. I could also start other programs by their name. Start WordPad. There you see the WordPad came up. Now also you can use this for writing. Say I'm writing a Word document. I click this on. My name is Charlie Brown. Period. Correct that. As you can see, I could say correct that, and it offers me different options. Maybe I wanted the whole word period instead of the punctuation mark. So this just gives you a taste of what speech recognition can do for you. What we have just looked at are a few of the accessibility features incorporated into the Windows 7 operating system. Keep in mind that Windows has been incorporating accessibility features from Windows 95, so they're all a little different and they have been improved upon, but they can always be accessed by on a PC computer holding down the Windows key and hitting the letter U. And this will bring up the accessibility features in your control panel. Keep in mind also that accessibility features are usually available in other operating systems such as the Mac and the Linux operating systems.